What are you doing? Oh, what's the current news? Oh, that's very sad. Yes, it feels very sad, na? Yeah, I generally don't watch news, I like watch few minutes of it, I like to watch the highlights of it, news which is like either few minutes long where they tell the information of what happened, but I generally don't go out for watching for several hours, yeah. And it's, yeah, I can understand, getting information is important, but I used to watch news, but I noticed that whenever I watch news, I get very very angry and upset, the news informs me. If I like hear the short version of it, I will know what is going on, but if I like try to watch the like entire panel where the news anchor is discussing about it and talking about it, I get very very angry, frustrated, like because all news channels in all like countries, they won't be like, okay, this is the information, this is like how happened, this is the beginning, this is the middle, this is the end, you know the shortened versions of it, are generally straightforward, but when there is long discussion, it won't be a very like practical, it won't be like some level-headed discussion where they like share information about what happened, it will be generally, see, I told you these people are bad, we have to do something about these people, you have to lock them up, you have to be more strict with them, bring more police, there is some problem being faced because of these group of people, or like if they don't like the ruling party, if they don't like the politician or the political party, they'll be like, see, these politicians are not doing anything, they are like ruling, but everything is going bad because of this party, if you had chosen the other party which we like, this wouldn't have happened, this current party is so terrible, this is why all these problems are happening, it may have nothing to do with the like politician, it was something personal issue going on, but still they will like talking about the political party and the politician, lot of times, if the politician is of their favorite political party, then they won't bash the political party, they will bash the politician only, and if they don't like the political party, if they like the other party, then they will bash the entire party, any news channel, you will initially won't realize, but after like watching it for few days or something, you will realize which political party is their favorite one, and all news anchors will be supporting that party or that politician, all of that channel, if one channel has like different news anchors and all, then all of their programs will be either hating on that political party or they will liking that political party, whatever the issue is going on, they will twist it in a way where whatever they have a preference, other people should think the same way. Like if they hate their political party, they will like continuously say mean things, these people, all the bad things they have done in the 50 years ago, they had done this and now they are doing this and this will happen, and whenever this politician comes, this bad happens, or if they like that party, if they like that politician and the politician has done something bad, they'll be like, actually there is lot of misinformation going on, the politician has actually done a lot, whatever the decision they have taken is actually very fantastic, yes, and people are not realizing why it's very fantastic. uh, you let me explain to you why what they are saying is right, is whatever your opinions are wrong, we tell you why this politician is right and why you should listen to them. Always there is an agenda. The news channel is not just discussing about the news, but they are programming our mind as well. If you watch a channel over and over again, your preferences, what you like and dislike will be similar to what the channel is trying to tell you. The channel is saying political party A is good, political party B is bad, then we will be A is good, A has done so much, but when B comes in, things go bad. Or this politician is good, this politician is bad. So no matter what happens, this politician is always the same, and no matter how much good this politician does, they are still a terrible person. And they talk in such a aggressive and hyper way that we also get energized. Lot of times the news channel won't be talking in a normal way. They actually this had happened, this some short segments one talk in a normal way, but when there is a panel discussion going on, they will be oh my god, they will screaming as they are sometimes there are multiple people talking, and most of the times I don't understand what they are saying. There is debate going on, but the debate only they know what is going on. And they will talk over each other, and they argue and give personal attacks, something which I didn't like. During the debates, there will be lot of personal attacks, either rather than the topic they are discussing on. A lot of time they will be you are a bad person, you are this and that. And another thing I don't like over there, and then audience which is sitting, audience also has a preference. Audience, either the news channel tells them, or they bring in audience which have a certain belief. So if the audience news channel like person A and they have problems with person B, so no matter what the person A says, the person A can say something very very stupid as well, something what relation does this have with debate, but still no matter what stupid thing comes out of them, then audience fantastic, what did they say about worth clapping, what, sometimes it could be very stupid, and I don't want to give examples because this can be problematic, but sometimes it's very stupid, but the audience will be clapping for them. Yay! Okay, I'll give an example. I don't remember full details, but this had happened in India, where there was argument between Hindu and Muslim politician. So the Muslim politician asked them that you are complaining to the Muslims about eating cows. You tell them don't allow Muslim people to eat cows. But in Northeast people eat cows. Why do you allow Northeast Indians to eat cows, and you have problem with Muslims eating cows? And there are so many ways he could have answered, but he gave one of the most stupidest answer. He was I don't remember the exact species, but he said that in Hindus actually believe this specific breed of cow is the auspicious one, but the breed of cow which they eat is not very auspicious. So it's okay. Yes, you eat, Muslim people eat this specific breed of cow, that is why we have problem. Other breeds of cows which northeastern people eat that is okay to eat and everyone like, wow, what a fantastic answer, yeah. Like huge clap for him like every time I remember this like it makes me laugh and makes me feel very sad Yeah. Because this answer is like one of the stupidest ones. And like, if you're like worshipping cows, worship all of them. It's not even only specific breed of cow is the special one. You know. Very like, and still the audience clapped at it, even though this answer was like meaningless and stupid. Yeah. So this like happens a lot, we are programmed so much, that no matter what the politician says, if it's our favorite politician, we would be clapping and celebrating them. If it's a politician we don't like, we'll have like, the politician can be like, oh my gosh, I am going to like do something very good for you, which is going to help you, and this policy, whatever changes they have made is helping people. But this politician is someone you don't like, so you like, I think there is some problem, and I think this politician is playing tricks with us. They are a bad person, so they won't be doing anything good. Even though it's beneficial for me, but still this politician has done it, so I don't care much. It doesn't change the fact that they are a terrible person. We won't ever be like, let's thank this person for what they have done. Okay, they had done bad things, but at least they did something good. You should congratulate them for doing something good. But some politicians don't get any congratulation. They are like always mocked and hated, and this is actually not a very good thing. It's okay to be critical, and you don't have to like everyone. You can have preference. You can like this person over that. You can like this party over that. But even if the party or the politician has done something good, if you are still being hateful, then problem lies within you. If they do something bad, you should criticize them. But if they do something good, be grateful about it. We appreciate them. Like they will be more likely to help you out if you are like appreciative. If no matter what good they do, if you are always complaining, eventually they will do not feel like helping you, and they will be like, the people are always complaining, why should I care? You should discourage bad behavior and encourage good behavior. If they are doing something good and you still like put them down, they'll like more likely to be bad. Even with little kids, no matter how annoying that kid is, if the kid sometimes does something good, appreciate them. People like to be appreciated, people like to be loved. They like feel very good when people around them like them, are nice to them. So if there is some good behavior, some good action, whether by a kid, by a politician, by anyone, by your worst enemy, appreciate it. And always be critical. Don't be like, I like this news channel, I like this, I trust them, they are like very unbiased. But always everyone has a certain bias. Everyone has like preference on who they like, who they don't like, and whenever they like talk about them, the bias will be noticed. And news channel have a lot of power. They have like control over entire nation, and nowadays the entire world. Due to YouTube and other social media, whatever they are preaching, they can preach to the entire world. So they have a lot of strong influence on changing our minds, and it's very important for us to listen to everyone, but you have to in the end think critically, don't just automatically start liking someone because someone else has told you. Don't automatically start hating someone because someone else has told you. People like, this is bad, that is bad, and everyone is like, yes, this is bad, that is bad. Even though something bad this person will do, will still be like, it's okay, they are good person. So once this person realize they can do bad but don't face any consequences for it, they will continue doing bad. Like, and people will say, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. And humans love power, they like, if they get power, if they like are able to do something bad and face no consequences for it, they will continue doing the bad thing. So, be always mindful, don't watch too much news, it's okay to sometimes watch it like edgy music, sometimes do it, be informed about what is going on around, but don't linger on it, don't spend the entire day watching news, because you are going to become an angry person, like, for a change, turn off the news channel, and see what kind of changes happen in your mind. 1 week don't watch any news, and then your mind will automatically start changing, you will feel lot calmer, you will be less biased, you will like to listen to other point of view as well. And that is very important, because it's important to get all sides to understand the full picture. If you just listen to one side then you can be fooled as well. If the other person knows then they can trick you, you have lot of faith in them, then they will try to trick you, manipulate you. The news channel do it, politicians do it, everyone does it. Even you might be doing it to someone, even I might be doing it to someone. There is different scales for it. Sometimes it's just trivial tricking, but sometimes people do horrible kind of tricks on people, which ruins people's life. So, be mindful, have preference, but don't be judgmental all the time. Take a break from news, once you got information, fine, now turn off and just enjoy your life, do what is going on around you, observe nature, observe things around you, it's okay to be informed about the world, but it's important to be and to know what is going on around you as well. Keep the phone down and see what kind of things happening around you. Let's do it.